Okay, good.
Hey guys, welcome. Tom Baxter here again at T Baxter PT, and we're doing another one of our outdoor workout series using just purely body weight and occasionally some standard park equipment that you'll find in most parks around all of BC we are, but anywhere in the world. And first and foremost, I am no parkourist, no parkour professional. I actually don't even really practice it, but one thing I do love is a beautiful sunny day and physical exercise, and why not take it outside and use your body? So this one, we're just showing you a bunch of lower body park plyos, okay? So using the lower body and doing some plyometric, which is your high intensity bounding, great for increasing power and strength, stability, and muscular endurance as well if you're doing a bunch of them like me. Let's get at it. All right, guys, perfect. So first and foremost, do what you feel comfortable with. There's a few movements there for me that were not perfect, and that's okay. I'm willing to kind of fail forward, but make sure that it's within your own comfort level. Challenge yourself, but don't go for some of the more crazy ones if you're not used to it. So you'll see how the Jesse at the Healthy T here has beautifully put these together with some simple ones to begin with. And if you are happy with the first half, then work on those until you can get a little bit more stable, a little bit more strength and power, and then you might start to add a couple more in and progress that way. It's not really a full workout, it's just a bunch of different movements that you can try out and get a wicked little leg workout from it. I guarantee you I'll be feeling a bit sore tomorrow. So thanks for joining us. Feel free to like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you next time. Here's my Instagram link, T Baxter PT, and we got the Jesse at the Healthy T. Thanks again.